In this video, we are going to solve the differential equation. So we are dealing with the differential equation x second derivative plus the first derivative is equal to 9x squared. Very interesting. So if you keenly see this is a second order differential equation that are reducible to first order. That is this category we are doing here. So and we are going to get the general solution. We are going to get the general solution of this DE. Now, if you keenly see this part, it is exact, very beautiful. You can identify that it follows for exact, meaning exact comes from some derivative. And which derivative is that? Stick with me till the end and you'll understand this very well. So we come and say that it came from the derivative with respect to x of what? Of x dy by dx. Now, when you differentiate x dy by dx, you actually get the part that is exact above there, which is x second derivative plus first derivative. So is equal to 9x squared. Very nice work, so beautiful. So we go ahead and integrate. So when you go ahead and integrate, so we shall have the integral, the derivative with respect to x of x dy by dx times dx is equal to integral 9x squared dx. Good. So when we integrate very well, you keenly see that we are going to have x. So we shall have x dy by dx. So the integrals will go. So to obtain x dy by dx is equal to when you integrate the other side, we are going to integrate 9x squared dx. So when we integrate the right hand side, I don't know the side that you are looking the video from, but when we integrate the right hand side, we have x dy by dx on the left hand side is equal to 9x to power 3 out of 3 plus a constant of integration which can be any letter, in this case a. So you are not fixed to only one letter. So we have x dy by dx is equal to, so we simplify, we shall have 3, so they cancel, we have 3, so 3x power 3, 3x power 3 plus a is the constant of integration. Good. Now if you look at the differential equation that we have, we can go for separation of variables. It goes for separation of variables. So you can separate variables. So let us begin by rewriting it very well before we divide it through by dx. My aim is to make sure that people can simply understand mathematics in the cheapest way possible without struggle, because math is a beautiful thing. So we can divide it through by x. Dividing through by x, so is a thing. So you handle numbers step by step. So we shall have our dy by dx, that's the first derivative. So we shall have dy by dx is equal to so we divide there, we shall have 3x squared and then plus a out of x. Good. So the next thing is to multiply the other side with dx and integrate accordingly. So we shall have dy is equal to, we multiply to the other side, we shall have 3x squared dx plus a out of x dx. You can put it in the whole bracket, but here I wanted to simplify it such that everyone can see where it came from, where the integrals came from. So we have the integral of dy is equal to the integral 3x squared dx plus the integral a out of x dx. Good. Yeah. Comment good in the comment section to appreciate me at least. Yeah, comment good in the comment section. So we have y is equal to 3 x power 3 out of 3. Yeah, very beautiful thing. Plus a line x. Yeah, if you're a math lover, comment in the comment section. I'm a math lover. So we have line b. Yeah. So we can go ahead and simplify this. Math is very nice. So go ahead, members. So we have y is equal to x to power 3. So if you need any help in math, my number is in the description or in my bio. So bio for this channel, you can always contact me. So we can simplify. You have ln of x power a and then plus ln b. Good. So we can obey the laws of logarithm. And when we obey the laws of logarithm, we shall have y is equal to x power 3. You must defeat the number to the ground. So you have b x to power a. You defeat the number to the ground. And we have defeated it to the ground. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah. My aim is to make 1,000 subscribers this year. Please support me, subscribe. So we have ln bx to power a. Yeah, I always enjoy writing this. Please subscribe, it's very important, and share, because sharing is caring. Yeah, I always love caring, so sharing is caring. Like the video, yeah, like the video, and comment. I always appreciate you watching my videos. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you so much. We meet in the next. Thank you.